Since the stage reading I produced of my screenplay for Keeling received a positive response, it's time to start going into pre-production. Unfortunately, even when I'm working on a screenplay for a low-budget film, I'm not one of those writers who assesses the locations they have access to and creates a story around those elements. I know that would be the practical way to go about this, but I've always had to be struck by the story first, which motivates me then to proceed to the arduous work of crafting the script, and then worry about the rest later. Now, since the story I've written is based on real people and events in a specific time period, I need to find those places where we can film now before I move ahead with any further pre-production work. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm here on the first day of location scouting for Keeling. I contacted the New Jersey Motion Picture Commission, looked at various sites looking for kind of like an office building in the brutalist style of architecture. That pointed me to Newark, where I am now, checking out all right, so couldn't find anything at the first brutalist style office building they sent me to, but they do have a second location they want me to check out. So that's where I'm off to now, still in Newark. And we have this building on the left, which is right near the light rail station, which could be convenient. There's another possibility we're going to check out on a 100-degree day, of course. First day of location scouting has to be the hottest day of the year. Well, what do you know? This building has a quote from Ronald Reagan, whose administration figures prominently in the screenplay for Keeling. So maybe this is an omen. So far, this building has our strongest candidates, and coincidentally happens to be the home of NJIT administration offices, which is where my nephew is a student. So we'll see how that works out. Better.
Catherine, do you want to take them down, show them the basement?
Okay, so checked out a couple more spots actually. I have a couple of possibilities in there, so I think we've done the Newark tour now, and we'll see if we could find anything else that might be more suitable. If not, I do have a couple of options. All right, continuing our location scouting. I'm in suburbs of North Jersey, checking on a house recommended to me that has the kitchen, has a parlor with a baby grand piano, which is kind of a key element in the story of our protagonist. So we're going to see how that works out, and hopefully get to cross one location at least off the list. Okay, I just finished touring the potential house interior location that seemed like it checked all the boxes for me, and it was a beautiful home, a beautiful spot. And when I walked in, all the boxes started getting checked. It really had the perfect layout for the way I'm envisioning filming the scene. It had a parlor with a baby grand piano that I need. It led to a dining area, and there was, of course, the parlor was right off the entry hallway, which I also need. And then as you walk around from the parlor to the dining area, right off there is an entryway to the kitchen. And everything was just picture perfect. There was little to no set dressing that had to be done. The furniture was great. The look was great. And so I was getting very excited about that. And they had forwarded me some photos of the kitchen. So I had seen that in advance. And so I wasn't too worried about that because it was an older kitchen. It had white appliances and wooden cabinets and really just the right look. And so I was making my way in the house through the winding area of the house that I was going to need on the lower level. And then I was like, oh my God, this is great. This is great. And then I walked into the kitchen and my face fell. And the owner said, looks great, doesn't it? And I couldn't speak. And she said, it looks so much better than the photos you saw, right? Because we just redid everything. We just remodeled it. So it was all modern, spanking new with stainless steel appliances, and gone was the traditional wooden cabinets replaced with white modern cabinets. The appliances were all stainless steel now. And she said, isn't this great? I said, no. She said, what's the matter? I said, I liked it the old way. This is a period piece that takes place 40 years ago. I needed the older appliances. So it was, like I said, kind of like a bait and switch situation where everything seemed to be going great. And then that one last thing turned out to be a bust. So I don't know. There might be a way to shoot around that with just the other interior rooms and shoot the kitchen separately, although that's going to add more time on. Ideally, it would be great if everything was in the same spot. So that's how my week ended up. Really with nothing that really fit perfectly, and I'm really not expecting anything to be perfect the way I'm envisioning it, but I need to get close so it's believable when I film these scenes in these locations. So it's Friday. We're going to the holiday weekend, so that ends the first week of location scouting, and the search continues.